Hey Katie, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda, the USA Auto Buying Service. Thank you so very much for your recent online interest in one of our Honda Fits. I have one here on the showroom in the Crystal Black Pearl. Katie, we're Alabama's leading volume dealer, so we will have the best inventory for you to choose from, but that Fit is one of the most versatile products we have. There's several seating arrangements, as you can see in the inside, decked out with standard technologies. You're going to get backup camera, Bluetooth standard across the board. Also have the available Honda sensing package on EX and above models, along with touchscreens and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It comes decked out with top fuel economy for its class, top safety ratings, and here at Tameron Honda, we are the premier dealership in the state of Alabama, home of 15 Honda President's Awards, along with a complimentary 250,000 mile warranty on every new vehicle that we're selling here, Katie. So I'm looking forward to the opportunity to show you some cars this weekend. You can reach me at 205-504-2358, and I'll make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.